Hi everyone, it's Beverly Barnett again with Compass Real Estate. Thank you for tuning in. I just want to do a quick update on the beginning of our 2023 San Francisco real estate market. So we're seeing some great energy and activity this year. I love the optimism. Just to give you a few examples of what I'm talking about. So a couple condos in the marina have gone into contract. One had multiple offers and was only on the market 3 days. Another one was in contract after 10 days on the market. I had one of my clients, one of my buyer clients, we looked at a single family home, more in like the southern part of the city, southwestern part of the city. Really great house, lots of potential, but big views in a pretty secluded location. And it was in the $2 to $3 million range. That listing had over 25 disclosure packets out. I know they got multiple offers. My clients ended up not writing on it. They just knew it was going to go much higher than they wanted to go on it. There was a property that didn't sell last year in Pacific Heights on Lion Street in the $13 million range, and that went into contract while it was off market. A house on Washington Street in Presidio Heights priced over $30 million. It got 3 offers. That's in contract. For my listings that are over 5 million, this week alone, I've had more than 6 showings on those properties. And I'm seeing an increase in showings for my listings, in that $1 million to $3 million range as well. So, open houses are well attended the last couple of weeks. It just feels like there are more buyers out there. They're ready to go. Consumer confidence is better. I think it's going to be an active market. I don't think it's going to be the craziness that we've had of 21 and early 22, but I do think it's going to be active this year. And even for sellers, my phone is ringing. We're preparing a few properties right now. So, but I think one of the differences is, and I talked about this in my last video, pricing is going to be key. So, and for properties that are overpriced, I think, it's just going to take those a lot longer to sell. So getting that right is critical. How a property is prepared and presented, from the staging and all of that. And marketing. Marketing is more important than ever today. I just added a new marketing coordinator to my team. Whoa! So excited to have her aboard. Anyway, if you are thinking of buying or selling and would like to know how your property may do in our current market, or if now is a good time for you to jump in as a buyer, feel free to reach out. You can go to beverlybarnett.com for my contact information, or DM me. We would love to hear from you. Love working in real estate and helping our clients achieve their dreams. Thank you for listening. Take care. Bye.